Good morning, friends on social media. Today we are going to dive into the beautiful world of music by playing the ballad rhythm in this melody. I am excited to teach you how to start the strings while performing the arpeggio style. This technique is essential for creating a smooth and flowing sound in your music. We will begin with the third string, then move to the second string, back to the third string, and then the second string again. Next we will play 2001, return to the third string, and then play the three tails up. After that, we will add a bass note, followed by the third string, second string, third string, first string, second string, and third string again. We will continue this pattern with a bass note all the time, playing the third string, second string, third string, first string, second string, third string, and then up with a bass note. When you play the tone, you will follow the sequence of third string, second string, third string, first string, second string, third string, third string, first string, second string, third string, and then a band. With the video I recorded earlier, you can add a rock ballad in the chorus mostly, depending on the melody of the song. I will be adding and leaving the link for the rock ballad 2001 so that people who haven't seen the video can learn to play both rock ballad and now ballad. This way, you can integrate both rhythms into the same melody or song you want to play. This integration depends largely on the lyrics of the song and how you want to express the emotions and story within the music. By combining these rhythms, you can create a unique and dynamic musical experience that resonates with your audience. Remember, practice is key to mastering these techniques, so take your time and enjoy the process of learning and creating beautiful music. Additionally, it's important to understand the historical context and evolution of these musical styles. The ballad rhythm has its roots in traditional folk music, often telling a story or conveying deep emotions. On the other hand, the rock ballad emerged in the mid-20th century, blending the emotional depth of ballads with the powerful instrumentation of rock music. By understanding these backgrounds, you can better appreciate the nuances of each style and how they can complement each other. Furthermore, experimenting with different tempos and dynamics can add even more variety to your performance. Slowing down certain sections can create a sense of anticipation, while speeding up others can add excitement and energy. Dynamics, such as playing softer or louder, can also enhance the emotional impact of your music. Don't be afraid to experiment and find your unique voice within these styles. Lastly, consider the audience you are playing for. Different audiences may respond differently to various elements of your performance. Tailoring your approach to suit the preferences of your listeners can make your performance more engaging and memorable. Whether you are playing for a small group of friends or a large audience, connecting with your listeners through your music is the ultimate goal. So keep practicing, keep experimenting, and most importantly, keep enjoying the beautiful journey of making music. I hope you liked this video and found it useful. Remember a major, F hash minor, D major, E7, and A major. These chords are fundamental and can be used in various musical contexts to create beautiful harmonies. Remember the ballad rhythm, a bass note at least on the fifth, third, second, third, first, second, third, another bass note, third, second, third, first, second, third, another bass note. This rhythm is essential for creating a smooth and flowing ballad feel. This is a chord. I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe, give it a like, share it, and share it again, so more people know about this course that I am offering completely free. By subscribing, you will stay updated with all the latest lessons and tutorials. Liking and sharing the video helps spread the word and allows more people to benefit from this free course. Your support is greatly appreciated and helps me continue to provide high-quality content for everyone. I hope you liked it. Please give it a like. I love you all very much. Thank you for your love and your interest in learning to play the guitar. Remember, practice is what makes us great and helps us gain the knowledge we desire. Never say no, it can't be done, or there's no time. Take 10 or 15 minutes daily, and you'll see in a month all that you can learn. This is extremely simple, okay? Thank you.